Hi, are you frustrated from those zero sales days? If you are, you have to watch this video to the end. I know that there are dozens of internet marketing courses available online that promise to teach you everything about internet marketing and how to make real money like all the other IM gurus. But those techniques will cost you tons of money, and many beginners will soon find that they lack sufficient funds to carry on, and thus drop their entire IM venture. So today, I'll be providing you with an honest review for the Work From No Home system, which will transform you into one of those super affiliates in a 30-day course. The Work From No Home system is created by one of ClickBank's top vendors and affiliates, Pengjun, and it's a membership website which is totally newbie-friendly. In the members area, you'll be able to discover the techniques that Pengjun used to generate $12,614 a month via affiliate marketing. This system requires absolutely no setup cost and no prior technical knowledge. You'll be able to see how he builds a completely fresh ClickBank account with zero sales to 5 figures in just 29 days, while being on a vacation with just a laptop and an internet connection. Work From No Home is packed with easy, repeatable actions, and it's a shadow system where you simply follow what Pengjun is doing to achieve similar results within 1 month. This is not some scammy one-push magic button software that will instantly generate you millions in 24 hours, but you can work on it anytime, anywhere, and as long as you have your laptop and an internet connection, you're on your way to earning 5 figures a month. Work From No Home contains a massive amount of tools, step-by-step videos, and tutorials. It's a huge compilation of proven techniques that Pengjun uses to achieve the phenomenal amount of conversions from his sites. This includes valuable information such as how to find profitable trends, how to pick profitable domain names and keywords, how to install WordPress on your site, SEO action plans, outsourcing action plans, rules to create good content, and testing practices. The most important part of Work From No Home is that it teaches you the fundamentals of the latest methods for your site's optimization. So how much is Work From No Home going to cost you? Courses like this normally cost anywhere from $100 to $200, but with just $37, Work From No Home promises to transform you into a super affiliate within 30 days. The best part about Work With No Home is it's also backed up by ClickBank's 60-day money-back guarantee. So since this course is a 30-day action plan, you have more than enough time to try it and see if it works for you. If you're not satisfied with the system or not making money with it, you can simply get a 100% refund with no questions asked. Work From No Home has the highest gravity for IM products on ClickBank, and this means that it is the hottest system available now. You're probably asking yourself, but is it worth my time? If you know anything about affiliate marketing, you know that it takes time. In this course, Pengjun is asking you to give him 30 days of your time and to learn what he knows in order for you to become successful in affiliate marketing. To those out there that are serious about having a job at home that will never fire you, I recommend that you give Work From No Home a try, not only because it can lead to better and greater self-fulfillment in your affiliate marketing lifestyle, but it also gives you a no questions asked money-back guarantee option. So check out Pengjun's website in the link below now.